back to my channel. This is Swift Wellness. I am Ashley, and today we're coming at you with just a little something different. I want to give you a few warm-up exercises to activate that core and really focus on engaging those muscles. So you might often hear in an ab workout, in a core workout, even in an upper or lower body to engage the abs and make sure you're holding that core tight. But what does that actually mean? So we're going through 3 exercises today that are my absolute favorite to really connect with your body, feel what it feels like to engage those abs, pull them into your spine, and not only get your abs primed and ready for an ab workout, but this is a warm-up that you could do before any workout that you do to really focus on getting that correct activation. So of course, if you prefer 15 or 30-minute workouts, make sure to check out those in our channel after this workout, this warm-up. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video we upload each week. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start today with 3 ab activation exercises. All of these are super important to help you engage through your core, through your abs, find where that correct activation should be, and then that way you can take this not just into a warm-up but also into your entire workout, whether it's an ab workout, whether it's upper body, lower body, whatever. You can always use this to make sure you're just correctly holding through that core, stabilizing the spine, and then of course doing all the proper form. So let's go ahead and start by laying on our back. We're gonna start off with a few breathing exercises today. So feet into the mat, knees to the sky. Take a deep breath. One hand goes on your chest, one hand goes here on your belly. So as you take a big, deep breath, think about pulling that belly button to the spine and holding it at that tightest point. That's the contraction of your ab muscles, and that's the activation that we want to achieve. So it should feel almost like a vacuum. So you're taking that belly button, sucking it to the spine, and this hand that's resting on your belly, I want you to be able to feel it go down and then also rise up as you exhale and press those abs out. So take one big deep breath and then exhale and then push those abs away. So again, on that inhale and on that exhale. Think about pulling that belly button to the spine, really feeling those abs contract. Let's go ahead with 2 more. And one last big inhale and exhale. Now keeping that exact same positioning, we want to just go ahead and relax through that lower back. So our resting position would have our back rounded and lifted off the mat. So again, we're going to focus on tipping it through that pelvis with pelvis tilt to engage the abs and turn that pelvis to the sky. So on that inhale, I want you to squeeze and press that lower back into the ground. Think about squeezing through the glutes and tipping that pelvis to the sky. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then as you exhale and relax, you're going back to that starting position. So let's go through 5 pelvic tilts just like that. Holding that belly button to the spine, feeling that lower ab activation, and then a big exhale. Each time allowing that lower back to come off of the mat. And last one. And big exhale. So we're gonna take those two movements together into a dead bug. So I'm focused on tilting that pelvis and holding and engaging those abs by keeping that belly button sucked into the spine. You're not holding your breath, you're just keeping that contraction, keeping that vacuum is what I call it, as you suck that belly button to your spine, feel the abs engage, pressing the lower back into the mat. We're gonna lift those legs and extend the arms overhead, find that ab engagement, and then the opposite leg and the opposite arm extend, finding your lowest point that you can maintain while holding in through that engagement, and then come back to center. So you should be feeling this all through the abs now as we warm up, alternating to the opposite side, and then coming back to center. Exhaling as you pull away, and then inhaling to pull that leg and that arm back to center. So big exhale, and big inhale. So let's go one more on each side to finish up this warm up. And last one. And then go ahead and hug the knees into the chest.